Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install .NET on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL dotnet.microsoft.com. Okay, now from this page, click on the download link. Now I am going to download the .NET 10. This is the latest LTS version. So click here to download .NET SDK for Windows 64-bit operating system. It may take a while for downloading .NET 10 SDK. After a successful download, go into the Downloads folder and open this installer file. Okay, now click on the install button to begin the installation. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. It may take a while for installing .NET SDK on Windows operating system. That's it. .NET SDK installed successfully with the following products. Installed .NET SDK 10, .NET Runtime 10, ASP.NET Core Runtime, and .NET Windows Desktop Runtime. So close this and open a command prompt and verify the installation using this command .NET --version. Hit enter. That's it. .NET 10.0.102 installed successfully on my machine. Now I am going to create a simple .NET application, .NET console application, and I will show you how to run this application. At first I am going to navigate to my desktop. So here I will store my newly created .NET application. So I'm going to create a new folder, then navigate to this folder. Okay, now write this command to create a new .NET console application. .NET new console -n, then write the application name, my case, my first .NET app, then hit enter. It may take a while for creating. Okay, now navigate to the application's root directory. Now open this application folder with any text editor. In my case, Visual Studio Code is preferred. So I am going to open this application with Visual Studio Code. Okay, I am going to open the main program file, and this is a simple application. When we run, it will show a message hello world on console. So I'm going to run this application from command prompt, simply use this command .NET run, hit enter. At the first time, it may take a while for running. That's it. This is the output. Now if you change this run again using the same command, that's it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.